Is your car's AC blowing air that's more like a warm breeze than a refreshing blast of cold? Well, what if I told you there's a simple trick, something you can do at home, that can make your car's air conditioner blow twice as cold in just a few minutes? It doesn't involve replacing expensive parts, and it won't cost you a trip to the mechanic. In today's video, I'm revealing the little-known method that mechanics don't usually tell you about, because it's too easy, too cheap, and just works. Stick around till the end because I'm also dropping bonus tips that'll supercharge your AC's performance year-round. Smash that like button, subscribe to Car Care Expert, and let's cool things down fast. Number 1, replace your cabin air filter. Your cabin air filter is like the lungs of your AC system. When it's clogged with dust, pollen, and debris, your airflow gets choked and your AC loses its punch. If the air smells musty or feels weak, it's time to check that filter. Replacing it is easy. Most are behind the glove box. A clean filter restores airflow, improves cooling, and removes odors. You should swap it every 12,000 to 15,000 miles, especially before summer. But what if your AC is still weak, even after a filter change? Trick number 2 attacks the problem right at the front of your car, literally. Number 2, clean the AC condenser. The condenser sits behind your grille and is your AC's heat release valve. When it's covered in bugs, dirt, or leaves, it can't expel heat effectively, which means warmer air inside the cabin. Spray it gently with water, don't use a pressure washer, and clean out any visible gunk. Do this once every season for maximum cooling power. Now that the outside is clean, let's change a setting inside your car that could instantly make your AC twice as effective. Number 3, always use recirculation mode. This is a game changer. Recirculation mode reuses the air already inside the cabin, air that's already cooler than the outside. Instead of constantly pulling in scorching air from outside, it keeps things chill. It also reduces humidity and lightens the load on your AC system. Use this mode especially in traffic or during long drives for cooler, more efficient airflow. But recirculation only works well if your refrigerant levels are solid. If they're low, no setting will save you. That's where trick number 4 comes in. Number 4, recharge your refrigerant, R134A or R1234YF. Low refrigerant is the silent killer of cold air. Without enough refrigerant, your AC can't absorb heat from your cabin. You can check pressure using a recharge kit and refill through the low pressure port. But make sure there are no leaks first. This simple fix can revive dead ACs in minutes. Most modern cars use R1234YF, while older ones use R134A. Always match your vehicle's spec. Now that your refrigerant is topped off, here's a trick to give your AC a head start before you even switch it on. Number 5, flush out hot air. First, before turning on the AC, roll down all your windows and drive for 30 to 60 seconds. Why? Your car's cabin can hit 140 degrees Fahrenheit in the sun. If you blast the AC immediately, it works overtime trying to cool an oven. Venting out hot air first drastically reduces the time it takes to cool down. It's free, simple, and shockingly effective. But don't make this next common mistake that's quietly destroying your AC's performance. Number 6, don't pre-cool with engine off. Running your AC fan without the engine on is useless. The compressor only works with the engine running. Without it, you're just blowing hot air and draining your battery. Always start the engine first, crack the windows, and then turn on the AC. This protects your components and gives your compressor full power to deliver max cooling. Now let's add a long-term upgrade that doesn't just cool better, but actually blocks heat from entering your car in the first place. Number 7, tint your windows. Window tints can block up to 70% of heat and UV rays. This means your interior stays cooler and your AC doesn't need to work as hard. It also protects your seats, dashboard, and electronics from sun damage. Whether you go for light or dark tint, the result is the same: a cooler cabin and a more efficient AC system. Check your local laws on legal tint limits first. And speaking of airflow, your AC is only as strong as its delivery. Let's clean out those vents for max performance. Number 8, clean the interior vents over time. Your AC vents collect dust, lint, and even mold. This blocks airflow and introduces funky odors. Use a soft brush, foam swab, or compressed air to clean the vents. For deeper cleaning, use a non-greasy AC cleaner spray. When airflow is unrestricted, cold air can move freely, and that means colder, fresher results. Now here's a counterintuitive trick. Your AC may actually get colder if you lower your fan speed. Number 9. Use medium fan speed for better cooling. Blast mode isn't always best. When air moves too fast across the evaporator, it doesn't have enough time to cool down. Set your blower on medium to allow the air to chill thoroughly. Once the cabin is cold, then you can increase the speed if needed. This simple trick can lower vent temps by several degrees instantly. But if you've done all this and your AC still isn't cold enough, then it's time for a professional level fix. Number 10. Get a professional AC system cleaning. Your evaporator coil collects moisture and dust, creating the perfect breeding ground for bacteria and mold. This gunk reduces efficiency and adds foul smells. A professional AC cleaning removes this buildup using special foams and tools that reach deep inside the system. It restores cold air, boosts airflow, and improves health inside your cabin. All right, now you've got the full arsenal to turn your AC from meh to mind-blowingly cold. If you learned something new today, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more car care hacks that actually work. Which of these tricks are you trying first? Drop it in the comments, and if you want to know how to make your engine run like brand new again, check out this video next. Stay cool out there.